In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find eco-friendly driving routes on Google Maps. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone and enter your destination in the search bar. Next, tap Directions and choose Driving as your mode of transport. Google Maps will automatically show the route options, and an eco-friendly route will usually be labeled with a leaf icon or marked as the most fuel-efficient option. Select the eco-friendly route to reduce fuel consumption and lower emissions while traveling. You can also compare it with other routes to see time differences and choose what works best for you. Once selected, tap Start to begin navigation. Google Maps will guide you turn by turn while helping you drive in a more efficient way. That's it. Now you know how to find eco-friendly driving routes on Google Maps and make more sustainable travel choices. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.